Kĩara kĩa Dandora kĩrĩ ngumo nĩ gũkorwo nĩkĩo kĩnene makĩria bũrũri-inĩ. No rĩu kũrĩ na thũgũrĩ njerũ kũrĩ aikari matwaraga gĩko bengi-inĩ. Gũkũ gĩko mĩthemba ĩtiganĩte gĩthuragwo na kwandĩkwo ibuku-inĩ rĩrĩ.
Hizo chupa ziko ngapi? 157 pieces.
Mũikari akĩheo pointi kũringana na mĩthemba ya gĩko kĩrĩa arehetwo ũrĩa Esau Ndambuki aratarĩria.
Leo nilikuwa tu na mboga ya kienyeji na mafuta. Na hata sikuwa na zaunga, sijui kama hata watu wangekula leo, unaona? Mimi pale kwa korido yangu maplastiki zile zangu na kwincha kabaki nimekusanya nimeleta hapa taka bank. Nikapata hapo mwenye anapima. Pata hapo mwenye anapima sikabaki tumenegotiate akanichagulia vitu zangu zile mzuri akaweka mali inafaa zile mbaya akatoa. Sikuwa na expect naweza pata unga ya ndovu 1 kg. Unaona? Mimi niko nafikiria nitapata shilingi 10 hapo nini. Lakini taka bank kuleta hizo scrap wameafford kunipatia hii unga na hii unga siona kwangu sasa inaenda kukuliwa sasa.
It is being managed by youths and to be complete it has to be have 15 personnel, both genders, and youth groups are the ones that are required to have this organization because we are trying to empower our youths. And if you are a registered entity from there, then actually we capitalize on the household level waste, solid waste. People themselves bring their waste that they have used in their homes, then they bring them to Takabank. Then from there you will meet Takabank attendees, of which I personally and 2 or 3 other guys, we will be there waiting for you. You bring us your waste, we sort them, the plastics, the papers, the glass, the tins, we sort them. There are various types. Then after that we record them on a notebook. After recording them on a notebook, then we validate their points according to the type of waste that you brought. Of which a plastic, being that plastic has value right now, even to recycling plants, plastic has the highest value of points, of which it has 5 points for now. Because we are dealing with plastic, paper and glass, then paper has a value of 3 points according to the papers. If it is polythene or it is a box, if it is a polythene paper, it has a 3 points. But if it is a light paper, it has 2 points.
Mwendena wake Zipora Anyango kwa miaka ĩrĩ akoretwo akĩrehe gĩko mĩthemba ĩtiganĩte na kwamũkĩra mĩtu na irio mĩthemba ĩngĩ.
I get some unga, some mboga for children. It's helped most youths who doesn't have jobs and most women who doesn't have jobs. The benefit is that if we collect them, they are taken to the company. They do recycling, they brought them back to the society.
If you have, let's say, a minimum of 150 points, you can receive a kg of maize flour. But if you have 10,000 points, you can also think of maybe, let me have even 5 kgs of maize flour and even sugar. So we were trying to create a sense in that we give value to that waste you have. So the more you bring the waste, the more you can receive from Takabank.
Kĩũria nĩ hihi mũbango ũyũ wambĩrĩirie atĩa?
Over the years, we've been seeing these issues of rampant dumping and the likes. And being that I come from Dandora, and Dandora is the major hub for dump site all over the country. This is where we have the largest dump site, I think, across Africa. But on most cases, because we face so many issues with the government and also the society about managing these waste and the likes, because there are also cartels involved. So we try to come up with another strategy of diminishing this social norm of rampant dumping.
Kũringana na ũkara mũbango nĩ wa gũteithĩrĩria aikari kwaga gũte gĩko gũtarĩ na kĩharĩro.
So that instead of following the norm of always going to homes and collecting waste, then taking them to the dump site, what if we come up with another strategy of which we can face these targeted individuals, because these waste come from the grassroots level at household level. So we thought of a way of reaching these people in these homes. What if we can come to them and reach to them, then they themselves, they collect these waste from their own homes, and instead of throwing them, they bring them to us.
Mwĩhoko wa ũkara nĩ kũgĩa na mũtambo wa gũthondeka indo citiganĩte kumana na gĩko kĩrĩa onganĩtie.
The national government or the county government can come in between and help us. revive this project. In a span of 2 years, over 10,000 youths will be employed in this project. And also these dam sites will not be here because there will be no waste going there. Already things will be coming here. We were taking them to a recycling plant or even to a recycling factory. There's a cycle. There's no waste being found on the street.
Ona arĩ ikinya rĩnini rĩa kũhũrana na ũtei wa gĩko, wĩrutĩri wa gĩkundi gĩkĩ nĩ wa kwĩrahĩrwo.
The youths from bringing this taka bank around us, they keep the ground clean, but they help us also, mothers and some youths, to get ugali and some bogas from them.
Kameme TV tabarĩra ya marĩa matũrigicĩirie ngĩkũhe ũhoro gĩtaũ, njĩta gĩtaũ wa Wanjikũ.